tôi trên vậy thì lưu đi chỉ cả lưu đu
Yeah. And you can see them over there. There is one, two, three, four, five, six, and seven of them. Seven beautiful birds. But they are different, whatever. And you can see, I don't know how the other one is going to. And you can see the difference. So yeah, can you see them? You can see them, right? And you can also see. Okay. Yeah. So this is that is the helmeted guinea fowl. Helmeted guinea fowl spread there. They're feeding on the ground and roasting in trees at night. When alarmed, they usually run for cover instead of taking flight because they can't fly. Eastern yellow-billed hornbill. Yeah, they bank on an eastern yellow-billed hornbill. Beak is called cast, pronounced cast. Oh, cast, not cast. Some scientists believe they are cast vibrates to make the hornbills call louder. You know, and it is East African corn coin. Corn coins often made for life and dancing rituals are important part of this ball. A crowned coin dance starts with bopping and blowing and finishes with a leap into the air. And the last one is the blueberry rollers. Get their name from the dynamic horses tribe where they fire and spin through the sky chasing tornado before shutting down to mate. So yeah, so that's beautiful animals.